What are you doing? Silly split arse. What sausage? What a stupid place to park a fucking coach, man. Honest to God, like. I know you've got kids to pick up, but Christ almighty, on a bend. Freaking hell. Are you signalling? You got your camera on your helmet and stuff? Are you acting like a helmet yourself because you haven't indicated? I'll give a hand signal. Complete tool. Nice signal from the cyclist, sausage.
What is that?
Cyclist, no hand signal or anything that they're turning off. Alright, so you turn right, indicate, turn right and you go straight on. Nice one, bus driver! Well, that was stupid Irish, fucking hell.
The kids after school. Squeeze in that gym class. When are you going to find the time to search for a new car? At arnoldclark.com, you can find your perfect car, build a deal that suits you, and reserve it all with a few clicks. Plus, you're guaranteed the best.
Fucking stopping there to read a map. Honest to God. Can read your mind, thick as shit. Right on a fucking bend. Right, eh? Split arse. Sausage. Nice one, you two. HGVs that tailgate each other, man. That wagon slams his brakes on, the other one's right in the back of it. Nice indication, bell end.
Near enough, we had every single player near our sort of like 80 yard boxes.
Not bad, like.
Near enough, we had every single player near our sort of like 80 yard boxes.
Not bad, like.
On the two occasions, you know what I mean? But we were sitting back fire.
It's only when I'm on this. Started like fucking renting away last year. Yeah, that's private day. I'm meant to be private. Hey, you're going to hear your night. I want to have something of my own. 237, Paul. What number are you? What number are you? 238 as well.
One-way street, and I bet you he's wanting to turn right. There we go. Absolute idiot sausage. You one-way street, you get in the right hand lane, turn right. Fucking hard can it be?